everybody, welcome back to Aroma Hut channel, and I'm so glad you're here today because we have a special treat. Today we're going to be making Easter rice bunnies. Get your kids to watch with you. This is going to be fun. Alright, today we're going to make an Easter rice bunny with essential oils, and this is Rachel, my daughter, who's going to be helping us. This is such a fun craft for moms to do with their daughters. I know you're a big girl, but you know what, if you have small children, they would love this craft. It's so easy. So what we're going to be using is 2 cups of rice. Of course, you're going to get your favorite essential oil out. I'm going to be using lavender, and you have
Roman chamomile.
Roman chamomile, which is a really great oil for kids. And then you just need a sock, hopefully a nice pretty one. We're using a roll of tape to open up the sock, and I'll show you that in a minute. If you don't have that to use, then you of course can just get a funnel and put the rice down in it. You're going to need about 3 strings because we're going to be tying them off, and then we'll dot it with our little eyes and nose and everything. All right, so we're just going to take our sock and just sort of open it up so you have a nice little opening. You know, we're going to go ahead and add our essential oil, probably about 10 to 12 drops into the rice. Now you can use any blend you want if you don't want to just use, but I figured, you know, this would be a good little boo-boo bunny. Use those stir rods, those glass stir rods over there, and stir up our rice. But yeah, just stir up your rice. Can you smell that? Oh my goodness. Mama might be sleeping with her bunny tonight. Okay, and pour your rice in without making a mess. We're just pouring it right in. Oh, okay. Depending on how big you want your bunny, I'm gonna put a little more in. Might as well use it all if I can fit it. Yeah, I think it's all gonna go in there. I'm gonna have a big long bunny. All right. Wow. Yeah, it's a little big. He's a little big, isn't he? I actually used one of the short socks because I thought it would be smaller. So we're gonna take our first string and, all right, let's tie off the top. So I'm not gonna knot them yet because you know what? I gotta give him a waistline now. So let's use our second string for his waist. Mine's fat. I think mine looks more like a snowman now that he's not looking like a bunny much. Okay. All right. You know what? He is missing something here. We need to actually give him some ears. So let's cut down the middle here. Go to Dollar Tree to get socks. That way, hey, don't, oh, look at that, mine fell apart. Already coming apart. Rachel's doing a good job here. She must not have overstuffed hers.
Just need to make these look a little.
Yeah, okay, mine's gonna be a little bit frayed rabbit here. Here. His ears are not too good. Okay. Okay. He's a snow bunny. More pointy. You could actually cut that off. Yeah,
That's
that
better.
works. That works. I have this tendency to make things difficult when they shouldn't be. My ears are not doing too well here. Scissors that cut. Okay. Oh my gosh, he's not. Okay, so he's a snow bunny, a green snow bunny. Now we give him eyes and a little nose. Okay, mine's gonna have a nice big nose. Okay. Ah, he's so cute. All right, we'll work on his ears a little more, but that's it. It's pretty simple. I bet your kids could probably do a better one than this. If you have kids that do this at home, leave a message below and maybe a picture of it so I can see how yours turned out.
There we go.
Aw, she's got a good one. Look at this. Isn't that cute?
Smells
Okay.
good too.
Yeah. All right, there we have it. Cute little Easter bunnies for you guys to make at home. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Try this at home with the kids. They'll love making these. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Happy Easter, Resurrection Day, and happy Passover to those of you who enjoy the Seder. Oh. How can I say this? Happy Easter and Resurrection Day for those of you who celebrate Easter, and happy Passover to those of you who don't.